Identify first your strength and try to offer bigger. Alright, Delivers, paano nga ba tayo maki-deal or how to deal with our competitors? Kahit anong klase po ng negosyo natin, whether school, coffee shop, resto, let's face it, talaga meron tayong mga competitors. Ako personal na opinion ko, di naman kailangan na bumagsak yung competitors natin, di ba? So, mali naman na tayo na lang ang kumita. Tama po. So, mali naman na tayo lang ang may client, tayo lang may estudyante, tayo lang ang may customer. So, hindi ko po ina-advise na atakihin o pabagsakin ang competitor natin. So, ang payo lang ni Rockstar is try to see a certain area that you are stronger than your competitor. Okay? So, tinan mo, alin yung kaya mong lumaban. Then, dun tayo mag-concentrate. Dun tayo mag-focus. In one of my seminars po sa Run Your School as a Business, meron ako mga tips po doon on how to highlight your strength as a school. Kasi maraming school owners, hindi nila alam how to stand sa in between their competitors. Like, may isang nag-message sa akin, Doc, sabi niya, ang competitors talaga namin within the area, 15 schools. So, imagine 15 schools. So, kung iniisip mo lahat ng 15 na yan, baka mga yayat po tayo, kakaisip paano natin matalo. Kaya, tinadala lang natin yung strength. For example, kung ang strength talaga nila is malaki yung facilities nila or yung building nila, so malaki na ang area nila, so ikaw, maliit lang, so hindi ka dun lalaban. Identify first your strength and try to offer bigger. For example, let's state natin ha, ito yung competitor natin. Or kahit hindi po school. So, that's what they are offering. Then, so yung strength mo na identify mo na, for example, academic performance of your students. So, yun ngayon ang stand mo. So, how to do that? So, you offer bigger. So, try to give bigger offer on your strength. So, kung ito yung offer nila, eto ka ngayon. Alright? So, for example, sa pricing, sa ibang business naman, kung eto offer nila, so sobrang mababa, kung dun ka pwedeng lumaban, kaya mo pa because meron kang supplier na mura or you're using the local, so ito yung offer mo. Bigger discount. Okay? Kasi meron kang capacity to do that. So, this is ito yung bigger discount na meron ka. Pwede mo ibigay. So, for example naman, ang strength mo is quality or yung sarap talaga ng food. So talagang meron kang, o ikaw mismo nag-aaral ka sa chef, talagang sobrang sarap nung yung burger mo or yung coffee mo. So, ito yung offer mo ngayon. Bigger in terms ng lasa niya, quality ng food. So, ito ka ngayon. This is your offer. So, deliver sa ating po lahat na may negosyo. Ulitin natin, no? Isa yan sa iniisip natin as an owner, as an entrepreneur. Your strength, then try to offer bigger. Let's go, let's go. Kape tayo. Kape po tayo.